the starking level contrast between a decent level boxer and a high level boxer through feinting, and I'm gonna go through how to implement it into your routine. Hello, Earthlings. Ultraviolet Ronald from the Bronx here. We're gonna get right into it. So we're gonna get into that boxing stance. And we're gonna start off with a very basic but common feint, which is the body feint, right? So I'm just basically jerking my body forward. So this is what it looks like from the side. You wanna try to see how your opponent reacts to certain feints to catch them off guard and see when their hand drops or if they go into a different position to maximize the punch you want to use to counter them or possibly take them out of there. So the body feint, you're just simply jerking your body forward, right? Giving them that impression like you're going to come forward. So that's the first feint, body feint. Okay, I'm basically jerking my head and my body forward. Now, the second feint you could try is the false feint, which is you're acting as if a punch is coming out, but it's not. So you're throwing a punch a quarter out of the way, all right? So I'm just basically just throwing a jab out the way, across, acting like I'm gonna throw a hook, an uppercut. I'm actually going through the motion, but I'm not, all right? I'm throwing it out intentionally as if I'm actually going to throw it, but I'm not. It's a very good feint if you want to act as if you're going to the body, boom, and then go to the head. Okay, or go to the head, boom, and then go to the body with that cross. It's perfect, okay? So I'm come over with that hook. It just throws that person's equilibrium off and trying to figure out, because you want to be a difficult target to hit and hard to see what your next move is going to be. And then lastly, the last feint, which is the step feint, okay? So I'm here, and I'm stepping with my front foot. I'm here, and it's like everything we just did is going into this, pretty much. So I'm here, or I'm acting like I'm gonna throw something, throw my hand out there, whatever, all right? Just giving them the impression again to make them think that you're gonna do something, but you're not. So we're gonna go through it again. The first one is just the body feint. Just seeing how they're gonna react. Keep your hands up to guard your face at all times with that body feint. And then from that body feint, the quarter punch fade, okay? So I'm acting like I'm gonna throw a cross. Act like I'm gonna throw a jab. My hand is out there, but I'm not gonna actually do it. And then when I actually come with the punch, they're gonna at least expect it. And then thirdly, that stepping in feint. So I'm stepping in, really giving the impression I'm gonna go in, but I'm not. So boom, come, bah. So you step in, then they may try to step in, and you can step back in the mix and catch with a counter that they don't see. Now you want to practice feinting in the midst of your shadow boxing, or if you're sparring in the ring, because that's how you're going to get comfortable actually throwing the feints and getting it a part of your system. Have fun in the process. Always be a student to the game. Hopefully this helps. And thank you for joining me on this journey to the ultraviolet. And if you like the video, please comment and subscribe. And always work towards becoming your greatest version.